I hear this all the time. How do I get visible without feeling cringy? How do I get visible without being like, look at me, I'm all over here? Like, this is a problem that I see so many women entrepreneurs face because they've probably from a young age been told to children are meant to be seen, not heard, right? And when we are truly visible, we are a combination of seen and heard so that our audience can also feel seen and heard. And so when we look at it like this, when we look at it as cringy, right? And we feel that way, it's going to be really hard to show up. It's going to be really hard to be consistent. So I've been there and I have swore back before 2016, I would never take a selfie. I would never do video. I would never do this. I would never speak on a stage. I would never teach, blah, blah, blah. Like I said it all. And I realized after a failed launch that the only way for me to really grow the business that I desired to grow and create was to get visible. And I tried many different things. It was really hard for me at first. I cheated at Facebook Lives and went only me in Facebook Lives because there wasn't TikTok and there wasn't Reels back then. And I also tried recording video. And after 4 hours of editing, because I didn't like the way that I looked, I didn't like the things that I said, I hated saying too much. I hated my hives that used to creep up my neck and they were like blood red. It was so embarrassing that I was so concerned about myself, my fears, what people were going to think about me, what people were going to say about me, that it was all about me. Me worrying about feeling cringe is all about me. And so I decided to create this shift. Funny story, my first real live video where I didn't cheat was me teaching my audience how to create jello shots because I was so worried about what my friends would say. So guess what? My friends all ate my jello shots. And it was time that I stopped being the only person that brought them to the girls' night out, like $200 shots. Every time we would go to a girls' night out movie, we would go to dinner, whatever. And there were typically anywhere from 20 to 50 of us, depending on what the event was. And so I'm like, you know what? They're not going to make fun of me for teaching them how to make jello shots. Hey, everybody. I am going to make a recipe for you. They're going to save me time. They're going to save me money. Somebody else can pick up the slack. It's not just me. And when I took that knowledge and really made it about my audience with the same thing when it came to social media and what I was talking about then and content creation, it really changed the game for me because me getting visible is not about me. It's not. It's about me showing up for my audience. It's about me giving value. You know, I love this. Like when we talk about the Bible, when we bring the Bible into things, like it's about having a servant's heart. It's about serving and supporting someone else. It's the law of reciprocity, if you want to call it that. And it really is about let me pour into you, show you my expertise, right? Let me give you a quick win. Let me change your minute. Let me change your hour, your day, your week, your month, your year, whatever it ends up being. I'll never forget that somebody reached out to me and said, I've been following you for a year and I've never commented on your content, but you changed my life a year ago when you talked me into getting on video because you told your story and you shared how you did it. This is a game changer for so many people. Whatever it is that you do, you serve and support an audience and they cannot change until they hear your message. So you getting visible should never feel cringe because it's not about you. It's about the people watching. It's about the people watching who want to feel seen and heard. It's about the people watching who want to change their lives or transform their lives or find a fix for whatever is the problem that they're going through. It's not about you. And as long as you keep thinking it's about you and how you look and how you're aging or what your weight is, or you say too much or you don't feel like you present as well, guess what? The only way you get better at presenting is by actually putting in the reps. And the only way that people are going to start paying attention to you is if you get over your discomfort and go do it. As long as you stay in your comfort zone, you're going to struggle. As long as you are like, I got to be comfortable to run this business. No, you are never going to be comfortable to run a successful business. There are always going to be things that are stressing you out, that are making you uncomfortable, pushing your edges consistently if you want to run a successful business that does big numbers. So how do you not feel cringe on video? You don't do it for you. You don't do it for the views. You don't do it for the likes. You don't do it for the comments. You do it for the person that it's meant for. You do it for the person, that single person that you can see. When you close your eyes and you envision them, you're putting that video out there for them and you're serving, supporting them. That's how you create video that doesn't make you cringe because it's pouring into someone else's soul. You're taking your soul and your heart and what you love, and you're allowing someone else to see that transformation, that solution that you can offer them, and helping make their day just a tiny bit better by seeing what you have to say, seeing what you have to offer, and sharing a little bit of your knowledge with them.